So right here, guys, doing a full maintenance of my car. Do the supercharger thing. I've been, abusing a little bit. So I just decide to take the engine out, check if everything is okay. But I got a few surprises for you guys. So we got right here the half a length spherical bushings. Really, really good upgrade for your tranny cables. So what else we got? We have right here the 4-bar half a lamp performance too. So going down the car, suspension wise, look at what we got, guys. The lower arm big bushing with the sway bar red bushing. Feels extremely stiff. So yeah, for sure at the beginning it's gonna feel kind of hard, so we had to break it and let's see how it goes. Right here we got the transmission all apart, so I'm fixing everything, checking all ratios, checking everything's okay. Right here we have everything, and we got right here brand new flywheel. We got right here the supercharger, guys. So right here, what we got? So yes, a lot of you are gonna criticize me for this, but I need to test this guy, really. Why? Because I've been hearing a lot of complaints about the big companies. So I decide to go with the cheaper ones. Yes, I get the XTD second stage clutch right here with the pilot bearing, all that. So why? Yes, I know. It's really, I've been hearing a lot of complaints about the big companies. So you know what? Let's go with the cheaper price. I'm not hearing complaints from anything about this clutch. So the OEM one is right here. Was working flawless. The only thing, just in seconds sometimes slip a little bit. But you see, guys, it's almost brand new. It was working flawless right here. I got a couple parts right here. If you're in California, let me know. I can give you a good price for all these parts. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We got right here the wideband sensor. Yeah, it's damaged. It's not working right now, so I need to replace it. Right here, we got a transmission waiting for pickup for FedEx. So this transmission is going to New York. So yeah, guys, a lot of upgrades, a lot of maintenance. Let's see how it goes. In this side too, we got the big bushings right there. The red bushings. Let's see how it goes. And thank you again for watching. The Accord Man, once again, right here, bring you updates on my car. Plus, you know how to do the thing. We got right here a P2R manual tensor, excellent inversion. Excellent. You don't need to worry about tension. We got the Gates racing belt, an excellent upgrade. It's really hard. So yeah, thank you for watching one more time. The Accord Man. God bless everybody, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.